Hello, my name is Christopher Figuera, and I'm doing question 9 of problem set 4. So question 9 reads, if there are 45 lines on a sheet of paper, and you want to reserve one line for each line in the truth table, how large could the cardinality of S be if you write truth tables of proportions generated by S on that sheet of paper? Okay, so there's one thing we need to know about truth tables first, and it's going to be on the left-hand side. So if we look at a truth table of just P, we have two rows, one where P is true or 1 and one where P is 0 or false. So we can dictate that by an equation of 2 to the first power, which is equal to 2, since there are two rows. Now if we were to upgrade that truth table to have two propositions, then we have P and Q. So for the first row we have P is Q, or P is true, Q is true. Second row we have P is true, Q is false. Third row we have P is false, Q is true. And then for 4 we have P is false and Q is false. So again, we can dictate this by the equation of 2 to the second is equal to 4, where we have 4 rows in total. And then for a truth table of, let's say, P, Q, and R, first row, we have true, true, true. Second row, we have true, true, false. Third row, we have true, false, true. Fourth row, we have true, false, false. Sixth row, we have false, true, false. Seventh row, we have false, false, true. And then for 8, we have false, 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 which we can dictate by 2 to the third is equal to 8, where there's 8 rows in total. So if we were to take that and put that into equation, we can say that uh, the equation of the amount of rows in a truth table is going to be equal to 2 to the nth, where n is the number of elements or the number of propositions. So to find how large a truth table can be, we are going to use the equation 2 to the nth. So I decided to look at it this way, where 2 to the nth is going to be greater than or equal to 45. And I'm using this to say if 2 to the nth is greater than or equal to 45, or greater than 45, we cannot use that power button. So then I just went through all the powers until we hit a number greater than 45. So 2 to the first 2, we can use that. 2 to the second 2 is equal to 4, we can use that. 2 to the third is equal to 8, we can still use that. 2 to the fourth is equal to 16th, we're getting closer, but we can still use that. 2 to the fifth is equal to 32, we can use that. 2 to the sixth is equal to 64. Now, we're saying that since 64 is greater than 45, and that's the amount of sheets of, or a line of the sheet on the sheet of paper that we have, we cannot use a truth table with 6 propositions. So we must use 32 lines or a truth table that has 5 propositions. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.